Just like we have some cousins who do not live with us, although they are part of our family, but they live far away from us. Similarly, our planet Earth's family, the solar system, has four such members who live far away from the sun. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Also, these four outer planets, the bigger planets, are much bigger than the four inner planets of the solar system, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Now, all these four outer planets also have another unique quality, and that is they are made of gases. You can see how on their surface you can see a huge amount of gases. That's why they are called gaseous giants. That is, they're made of gases and their size is very big. They're giants. That's why they are called gaseous giants. So now let's meet one by one all the four outer members of the solar system. So first in the line out of the four is Jupiter. Jupiter is fifth from the sun and is the largest member of the solar system. Now, Jupiter has another quality. Jupiter is so big that if you compare it with Earth, it is almost 318 times heavier than Earth. So imagine how big and how gigantic it is. That is Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. Also, Jupiter has a number of moons, and among them, four are very famous. Now, which are the four famous moons of Jupiter? Well, they are Ganymede, Callisto, Io, and Europa. Now, why are they so famous? Well, because they were discovered by a famous scientist, Galileo, and that is why these moons are also called Galilean moons. Jupiter shines very brightly in the night sky, and if you know exactly where to look for, you can see Jupiter very clearly. So when next time you're looking at the night sky, try to locate Jupiter the planet among all the other objects in the sky. Next, we'll know the second planet after Jupiter, that is sixth in the line from the sun, that is Saturn. Now, Saturn is a very unique planet because of its rings. You can see how its rings are so beautifully surrounding it. That's the most unique quality of Saturn planet. It is also the second biggest planet in the solar system. So Saturn is sixth in the line and second biggest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. Also, Saturn has a number of moons just like Jupiter. Next are the farthest members of the solar system, that is Uranus and Neptune. They are so far from the sun that if you want to see Uranus and Neptune, you will have to use a telescope. And among Uranus and Neptune, Uranus has some unique qualities. One of them is that Uranus rotates from east to west, exactly opposite to how our Earth rotates, that is west to east. Another important quality which Uranus has is that its axis is tilted. That is, instead of being upright, it's almost tilted horizontally. And because of that, when you see the planet Uranus, you will feel that it's rolling on its sides. In fact, it isn't. It's just following its usual rotational routine. So these were the four outer planets of the solar system, which are much bigger than the inner planets and are also called gaseous giants. So at least in the night sky, you can always look for Jupiter, while if you get hands on a telescope, try to look for Uranus and Neptune. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.